Good afternoon. I welcome you all on behalf of Computer Department. Good afternoon, one and all. I welcome our competent and outstanding principal sir, vice principal sir, primary in charge man, and all my colleagues. Today, our computer department got the opportunity to present our views on experiential learning. Last few months have certainly made technology a very important aspect of our lives. Art integration is an approach to teaching in which students construct and demonstrate understanding through an art form. Students engage in a creative process which connects an art form and other subjects and meet evolving objects in both. Talking about experiential learning, it is rightly said that experiential learning is learning by doing. As teachers, we all know that the more we practice, the better we learn. Sir Benjamin Franklin said, "Tell me and I forget. Teach me and I may remember. Involve me and I learn." Rightly said, what we do shouldn't follow us. I hear and I forget. I see and I remember. I do and I understand. Well said by Confucius. Now focusing on experiential learning, let us understand who are a part of experiential learning. It's about teacher, student and the content. These three parts are closely related as shown in the diagram. Teachers deliver the content to the students as per the curriculum. But the question is how effectively the content is delivered to the budding youth so that its practicality is emphasized. Bygone are the days when we used to teach 2D concepts. We are now working on augmented reality. Augmented reality is to create a system in which the user cannot tell the difference between the real world and its virtual augmentation. Today, augmented reality is used in entertainment, military training, engineering design, robotics, manufacturing, and other industries. We have so many ICT tools for teaching and learning online. We have seen some examples in the past few months. A drastic change is observed in technology these days. Earlier, it was only computer science which was taught through computers. But today, all the other subjects use computers as a tool for teaching. Without computers, it would not have been possible for us to continue these online classes. It is an indispensable part of teaching profession now. Some of the applications which made integrated learning possible are Scratch, Flash, blogs, podcasting, Google Forms, etc. In Scratch programming, we can create dialogues or stories for subjects like English, science, social science, maths. In Flash, we can create stories for subjects like English, science, social science, maths. Using blogs, we can update and share information of various subjects. Similarly, podcasting is helpful in giving audio lectures in various subjects. We can use Google Forms as an assessment tool for all these subjects like English, science, social science, maths, Hindi, Sanskrit, etc. Let's watch an interesting video from scratch. Students can use Scratch to code their own interactive videos on various subjects like English, math, science, social science, and others. They can also use for animation, stories, games, art, music, photography, and more. They learn to think creatively, reason systematically, and work collaboratively. It's an essential skill for everyone in today's society. Scratch is also helpful for teachers. It allows teachers to create conceptual and visual lessons for making lab assignments with animation that help visualize difficult concepts. A teacher can create quizzes, games, and tutorials with interactive elements. Teacher can also help in building the logic of the program. So now let's move from Scratch to Flash. What is Flash? Macromedia Flash is a multimedia graphic program, especially for use on the web. It enables us to create interactive movies on the web. Flash uses vector graphics, which means that the graphics can be scaled to any size without losing clarity or quality. Flash does not require programming skills and is easy to learn. What all can be done in Flash? We can do motion tween, which has simple animations. We can even draw object motion guide. It can show falling text. It can also tell us how to change the color of an object. Similarly, we have shape tuning, which shows morphing a shape. That means changing the shape. We can also create our own buttons, and we can also create Flash sound. Here are some templates which are created in Flash. So you can see so attractive all these templates are. They can work as a background, or you can even create your own backgrounds. Let's watch a movie in Flash and see how nice it looks to make the objects animate. A blog is a frequently updated online personal journal or a diary. It's a place to express yourself to the world, a place to share your thoughts and your passion. Let's watch a movie on blogs.
What is a blog? A Originally created from the words web and log, a blog is just that. A blog is the logging of one's thoughts, ideas, experiences, and more, all in one place on the web. You've probably seen them around, but what makes them so great? Well, blogs are easy to use, and with a few clicks, you can share thoughts, opinions, news, anything. Your blog is a staple of who you are, the ultimate expression of you on the web. Your blog's theme is what controls how your blog looks. You can choose a theme and personalize it with your own colors and/or background images to find the look that fits you. It's easy to change themes as well, so you'll always be sure that there's a look and feel out there that fits with your personality and makes it easy for visitors to find what they're looking for. Most blog themes are made up of 4 main sections: the header, the sidebar, the footer, and the body.
Here we have some free blogging site links. We can click on these links and create our own blogs as per our choice. So after this, let's go on to the podcasting. Originally called audio blogging, what we now refer to as podcasting actually started as early as the 1980s. Podcasting is a free service that allows internet users to pull audio files from a podcasting website to listen to on their computers or personal digital audio players. The term comes from a combination of the words iPod and broadcasting. Here are some best podcasting listening apps which are meant for Apple and Android users. They are Laughable, Pocket Cast, Podbean, Radio Public, Spotify, Stitcher, TuneIn. You can use these for creating your own podcasting channel. From podcasting to the Google Forms. Now let's see what Google Forms are. Creating Google Form as an assessment tool in experiential learning. Google Form is a free Google application that allows users to create forms, surveys, and quizzes, as well as to collaboratively edit and share the forms with other people to gather information. Form responses are saved in a Google spreadsheet in Google Drive. Educators can use Google Forms to assess their students at the beginning of the class and gauge pre-existing knowledge. Furthermore, Google Forms can be used to give feedback to and receive feedback from students and parents. We can explore science with the help of Google Forms. Science teachers can embed an experiment video to the form and prepare several comprehensive questions based on these videos. We can use Google Drive for sharing data. While working on internet, we face lot many problems when the data is not available to us properly. So what we can do is we can save our data on these Google Drives and use them from wherever we want. We can use Google Docs for creating documents. It also has predefined templates for making documents. Similarly, we can use Google Sheet for calculation with the help of inbuilt formulas. We can also use Google Slides for making presentations and movies. Teachers can help. It can be used as a whiteboard for teaching. We have YouTube for uploading teaching videos. We have Google Classroom for teaching. We can use Google Meet, Zoom for online classes. With this, we come to the conclusion that experiential learning is a need of the hour. As rightly said, by Sir Albert Einstein. Knowledge is experience. Everything else is just information. Wisdom is not what comes from reading great books when it comes to understanding life. Experiential learning is the only worthwhile kind. Everything else is a hearsay. In today's life, computer is in every field. So let's watch a small role play showing the importance of computers in our day-to-day life. With this, I end my presentation saying, keep learning, keep growing.
Primary and my dear colleagues. Today I would like to welcome you to ICT Classroom. Before we begin our presentation, let me brief you about ICT and its role in online teaching. ICT, Information and Communication Technology. It covers a broad range of technologies. It is defined as the technological tools and resources which are used for creating, analyzing, storing and sharing data and information. In online teaching and learning, ICT plays a pivotal role as teaching and learning takes place online using internet-connected devices and computers. The COVID-19 pandemic has forced the education sector to move its base from online education from face-to-face learning to online education, where numerous schools and colleges have started teaching their students through online platforms across the world. During these classes, teachers often send email and messages to the students for instructions and learning content. Games, simulation, online tests, and quiz are conducted for assessment and practice. They conduct webinars for tutorials. Teachers deliver and manage these courses through various learning platforms and other forms of delivery. Instructors and learners during this process often face some problems or challenges which hinder effective teaching and learning. Some of these challenges are lack of network infrastructure, non-availability of technical support, insufficient application and resources, inadequate training and support. Today, our department would like to focus on some of these issues and suggest ways to resolve them. I hope it's fruitful for all. Vikas sir, can you please help?
Yes, ma'am.
There's a network issue. I'm not able to connect to my Zoom class. So you've resolved it? Thank you so much. What did you do, sir?
I have changed proxy setting of the system.
Thank you. Now I can conveniently connect to my class. Thank God. Children, good morning. Morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
So some of you have not switched on your cameras. Kindly do that.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
So both, please take care. All right. So last week we had taken up an assignment. I've given you one assignment on Excel for plotting graphs on the data provided. I hope you all have done it.
Yes, ma'am.
Monica, I can see.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah,
Ma'am, I have made this pie chart on a chart sheet.
very
Please
good.
see it.
Yes. Splendid work. Monica, please send it to me. Scan it and send it to me so that I can store it.
Ma'am, I have already scanned and mailed it to you.
Okay, let me check.
Yes, ma'am.
Incredible work. Marvelous.
Thank you, ma'am.
You get bonus marks for this and it'll be counted in assessment.
Thanks a lot, ma'am.
Anyone else who has finished the work?
Ma'am, mine is an area chart.
Okay, let me check. Have you sent it to me on mail? Ashok, have you sent it to me on mail?
Sure, ma'am.
You have. Okay, let me check. Can you tell me the difference between pie chart and area chart?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it?
We can plot only one data series using pie chart, whereas area chart can plot multiple data series.
Well done. Ashok, superb answer. Anyone else who has done it?
Yes, ma'am. I have sent you a stat bar chart.
Good, very good. Anita, can you tell me which country scored the maximum gold?
Yes, ma'am. It is Australia. It
Yeah.
is indicated in blue color.
Very good. Excellent work. Anyone else? So,
Yes, ma'am. Donut chart was sent on your mail ID by me.
all right. Very nice, Ashok. Subodh. All right. Students, during last week, I got some queries because when you are attending online classes and submitting your work, you sent me many queries saying that you are facing computer-related problems. So today I plan to take a problem-solving session. I listed these problems. Kindly check. Just see the screen and check. Are your problems listed?
Yes, ma'am. It
Yes,
is
ma'am.
there.
Mine is at second place.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So I've not missed on any. Let's start with Ruchi. Ruchi, can you brief us with your problem, please?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah.
I have made a presentation on animal kingdom. I want to send it to my science teacher in an uneditable form. Can you please help me? How can I do that?
Sure, that's very simple.
I have already made you, ma'am.
All right. So just I am taking the same example. Just see your screen and you would be able to follow the steps and do it.
Okay, ma'am.
So there. You just need to double click on your file.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Go to file. Click on save as. Select a location where you want to save your file. I am selecting desktop. Select the extension as PowerPoint show, PPSX. That would be the extension of the file and click on save. Now it will be, now it cannot be modified and you can conveniently send it to your teacher. Remember, both these files will be present, your editable and uneditable format. In case you want to make changes, you can do it to the editable format, that is PPTX,
Okay, ma'am.
and follow the same procedure,
Okay, ma'am.
right? I hope I've solved your problem.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Now I can save my file in a safe mode.
Okay. Subodh, please unmute and ask your question.
Ma'am, I want to convert my PDF file into the Word document. It is possible?
Yes, it is.
I know this one.
Okay.
I love.
What's wrong with you, Ashok? Should I turn you out of the meeting?
Ma'am, please let me complete my statement.
What is it?
I love pdf.com, so both you can visit this site. Ma'am, can you please share your screen
I'm
so
done.
that I can show him the steps?
Yeah.
So both you have to type I love pdf.com in the address bar. Once it is done, press enter key. See, we have many PDF conversion formats. We can merge PDF, we can split PDF, we can compress PDF, and we can change PDF to Word. This is what we want. Select your PDF file, click on it. I'm taking science document. Click on motion file and click on open button. So both you need to have some patience. It is going to upload.
So various formats can be selected from here, Subodh.
At the bottom right corner, you will see Convert to Word. Click on it. See, the conversion process is going on. Now click on Download Word button.
Depending on the size of the file, it will take some time. Subodh, remember that. It will take some time to download the file in the required format.
It downloads in the download folder. Now you can click on OK button. Click on Enable Editing button. Now you can make easily correction in your Word document.
That was fruitful. Thank you.
Thank you. So now I can also merge and split the PDF file.
That was good, Ashok.
Ma'am, may I ask a question now?
Yes, Neha, go ahead.
Ma'am, I'm tensed.
What happened? Why are you so worried?
Ma'am, is there a way to extract audio from video uploaded on YouTube?
Yes, there is. Just pay attention to your screen and you would know it.
Okay, ma'am.
See, for doing that, Neha, you have to remember, you got to take help of two sites. One is the YouTube from where you want to download it, and the other one would be any of the downloader sites. Pay attention to your screen. These downloader sites could be 4K video downloader, 4K YouTube to MP3, Y2Mate, which I'll take right now as an example. So you load YouTube, select the video that you want to extract music from, alright, copy its URL. You have to copy its URL, either right click or press Ctrl C, alright, click on copy. Now you need to open the website, that is Y2Mate. Right now I'm doing that, alright.
Okay.
There's a big border text field you can see. You need to paste the URL there, right? You can see it. Paste the URL of the YouTube video in this box and click on Start. Again, as I've told you, depending on the size, it does give you various formats. These downloader sites give you video, audio, MP3, AVI, and the other formats which are available. For iPhone, you have M4V formats also. We have not used YouTube format because that downloads only video. See, you can click on download then. This interface will appear in front of you. And you can see on the left hand side, it gets downloaded in the downloads folder by default. You can conveniently click from there and play the audio. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. It has taken a huge load off my head.
My pleasure. All right. So, next, who would like to go next? Monica. Monica, it's your turn. Looks you're busy in something.
Monica is listening music, ma'am, I think.
What is wrong with you, Monica? Do I go ahead?
So sorry, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yeah?
actually I want to share my problem with you.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I need to transfer my maths assignment kept on the desktop to my class WhatsApp group.
All right.
Please tell me how can I do that?
First of all, you need to be attentive, Monica.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry for that.
So where were you, Monica, last week? Ma'am had already explained it.
I was on leave.
Okay. Ma'am, may I explain the steps?
Yes, Anita, go ahead.
Okay, ma'am. See, these are the steps. So first of all, you have to open your browser. Any browser you can choose and just open that on your computer. Now visit webwhatsapp.com and hit enter key. Now open WhatsApp on your phone. Now from the three vertical dots on the Android phone, you can tap and select WhatsApp web. and then scan the QR code from the. Now WhatsApp will be loaded on your computer. Now you can choose the chat thread to whom the file needs to be sent and just see, click on attach button. Then there is a document option there. Now you can select your PDF and click on open button. So like this you can add more files and click on send button.
Okay, thank you, Anita.
Anita,
Yes,
you were
ma'am.
asked, you wanted to upload a video next month on Teachers' Day. Have you prepared that?
Yes ma'am, it is prepared, but I don't know how to upload it on YouTube. Can you please help me?
Yes, sure.
Ma'am, can I help her?
All right, Preeti, go ahead.
Ma'am, for this, first we have to open YouTube site. I type in youtube.com. The YouTube site gets opened up and there's a button create here. We have to click on upload video now. And now we will have to choose the file we have to upload. So here is the screen. Click on select files and we have to search the location where our file is saved. Ma'am, we also have to ensure that we have logged in with our email account.
Yes.
Otherwise, it was not going to open YouTube like this.
Right.
So now we have to select the video file and we have to also ensure that our network bandwidth is good.
Yeah.
When the net is working on. Now here is the file video playback and video playback 1. So I'm going to upload 2 videos. On the right side you can see there are both the videos are uploaded, but right now it is not being processed. You can see it on the screen here. The processing is going on.
That takes time.
It will take time, ma'am, because unless and until it is 100%, the video won't be uploaded. So this is how we can upload it, both the videos like this, on YouTube site.
Good.
Thank you, Preeti.
Anita, it was helpful?
Yes ma'am.
Good. So now we have a short question answer session, but this is with a twist. You've got to remember, some of you can frame questions for your colleagues. Whosoever knows the answer can raise your hand, put it in the chat, or put a thumbs up. I'll decide who gets to answer. There will be marks awarded for this, which will be counted for assessment. So be attentive.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I was successful in extracting audio from video. Can I please play it?
Yes, Neha.
तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जाऊं गुल बनके मैं खिल जाऊं इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जाऊं तेरे खेतों में लहराऊं इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू.
Incredible work, Neha. You implemented it so quickly.
Thank you, ma'am.
Wonderful. So, are you all ready with your questions by now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
Who would want to go first?
Ma'am,
Yeah?
I have framed a question.
Yeah.
May I ask?
Yes, Subodh.
What is the extension of PowerPoint presentation in PowerPoint uneditable format?
Who would answer this one?
And may I answer?
Yes, Ruchi.
.pptx for PowerPoint presentation and .ppsx for PowerPoint uneditable format.
Do you think, Subodh, it's correct?
Yes, ma'am. It is
Okay,
correct.
let's check. Good. Very well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next, who would want to ask next?
I want to ask now,
Okay. Fine, Ashok. Go ahead.
can you name some office formats which a PDF converter supports?
Who would want to answer this
Ma'am, may I
one?
answer?
Yes, Neha.
Answer is MS Word, MS Excel, and MS PowerPoint.
Do you think it is correct, Ashok?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Yes, well done, Neha.
Ma'am, may I ask now?
Anita, go ahead.
What should be scanned on WhatsApp web from a desktop to access mobile WhatsApp?
Ma'am, may I answer?
Okay, Monica.
Ma'am, it's barcode.
No, ma'am, it's wrong.
Yes, that is because you've not been attentive.
Sorry,
Now the
ma'am. But what is the correct answer of this?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yeah.
Ma'am, it is QR code.
So Monica, the bonus marks which were given for your chart are now deducted. Please be attentive.
Okay, sorry, ma'am.
Alright. So the correct answer is QR code. The next question, please.
Can I ask the next question?
Yes, Preeti.
What precautions should you take before uploading a video on YouTube?
Who would want to go in for this?
I know this one.
Again?
A person should be logged in with an email account and should have good bandwidth for quick upload of file.
So it's there. Good answer, so.
Ma'am, excuse me.
Yes, Sanita.
Ma'am, I have finally uploaded my video. Would you like to see that?
Okay, since we are coming to the end of the class, so almost it's time. Let's watch what Anita has to share with us, and then you can conveniently log out.
I am who I am.
I am who I am.
I am who I am.
I am who I am because I had a great teacher.
This song is for those who inspire us today, who always lend a helping hand to help show us the way. This song is for those who see their students through the tough times in their lives. For that we say thank you. You have made a difference. You have shaped our minds. You have changed the world, one child at a time. You have always been there in everything you do. I hope that you are as proud of me as I'm proud of you. This song is for those who heard the silent cries, who stepped in to wipe the tears from the children's eyes. For those who gave us a safe place to grow, a place for us to call our home, forever we will know that you have made a difference. You have shaped our minds. You have changed the world, one child at a time. You have always been there in everything you do. I hope that you're as proud of me as I'm proud of you. This song is for those who taught us right from wrong, who taught us much more than their craft to help our minds grow strong. This song is for those who guide us through and through, so that we can make a life. For that we say thank you. You have made a difference. You have shaped our minds. You have changed the world, one child at a time. You have always been there in everything you do. I hope that you're as proud of me as I'm proud of you. As I look back on my life and to the path within my reach, I hope I can change a life of those that I teach. I can make a difference. All I do is try to see a different world through the children's eyes. And I will always be there in everything I do. I hope that you're as proud of me as I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
I would now